Is your Audi Q5 key fob not working? First, the most common issue is a dead battery. Audi Q5 key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Open the fob carefully with a small tool, replace the battery positive side up, and close it. If that doesn't work, try the MMI Relearn process. Go to Vehicle, then Keys in your car's infotainment system. Select Add New Key and follow the on-screen instructions, holding the fob near the Start button. These two steps resolve most key fob problems, especially after a battery replacement or software glitch. Remember to test immediately after each step to confirm functionality. If battery replacement and MMI Relearn don't fix your Audi Q5 key fob, the problem might be with the receiver module. This module, usually located under the dashboard, receives the signal from your key fob. Signs of receiver failure include consistently unresponsive key fob functions, even after the previous steps. The receiver is the module that decodes the fob's signal. You can inspect for loose connections in the receiver module or use an OBD-IE scanner to check for error codes that might indicate receiver failure. The receiver module receives radio frequency signals from the key fob and processes them to unlock or lock the vehicle. If this module fails, the signal isn't decoded properly. If you suspect a faulty receiver, consider professional diagnosis and replacement. While DIY kits are available, receiver replacement often requires specialized tools and expertise. Contact an Audi dealer or certified mechanic to avoid further complications or voiding your warranty. Note: as of 2025, software updates and digital key options may offer alternative solutions or reduce reliance on the physical fob.